we are just 3 days far to complete our challenge. So let's keep going. And for today, I'm going to use watermelon on my face. So watermelon helps to hydrate and moisturize your skins and also exfoliate dry and dead skin cells. So let's get started. And it's done, so I kept it for 15 to 20 minutes. So you can just try this, and I can actually feel my skin to be more moisturized and hydrated. Also, let me know in the comments below how it goes with you. See you tomorrow. Bye.